Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see an example of op amplifier. In this particular problem we are going to see how to calculate the current flowing through this one. Okay, we are trying to find this small I current. In order to calculate this current, we have to know the voltage across this terminal, this negative terminal, and also we have to know the voltage here, and we have the resistance because we are going to do the voltage difference divided by the resistance, and that's going to give us the current. Now voltage across this one, okay, this is connected to the ground. If this is connected to the ground, then the voltage across the positive terminal is 0, and for an ideal op amplifier we take voltage across the positive terminal is equal to voltage across the negative terminal, so this one also 0. So the only thing we need is V output voltage. We have to know what is the voltage across here. In order to do that, we can use this formula because you can see the input voltage is connected to the inverting terminal. So whenever we have input voltage connected to the inverting terminal, we can always use this equation to calculate the V output. That is negative feedback resistance divided by the input resistance multiplied by the voltage input. So whenever we have the voltage input connected to the negative terminal, or you can say inverting terminal, this is the equation to find out the voltage output. So here we are going to put the feedback resistance, that's going to be the resistance here, that's 4 kilo ohm, divided by the input resistance, that's 1 kilo ohm, multiplied by the voltage input, that's 2 voltage, and that's going to give us 4 times 2, that's 8 voltage, right? So this is our output voltage. Now we have the output voltage, so we can go ahead and find out our current. Since the current is flowing in this direction, this minus this, so this is 0 because this is connected to the ground. And also for op amplifier, ideal op amplifier, we take V plus is equal to V minus, that is equal to 0 voltage. So here we have 0 voltage, so the current I is going to be 0 minus 8, because voltage output is minus 8. So minus 8 divided by the resistance in between, that's 4 kilo ohm. So 4k, and that's going to give us 8 over 4k, that's going to be 2 milliampere, and that's going to be the I current. And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.